Welcome to the Statistics course. Today we are going to see how to install R. On the website shown on the screen, we access the page where we will download R. Click on Download R for your respective operating system. Most of you will use Windows, although there are also links for Mac or Linux. Next, select Install R for the first time. On the following screen, click Download R and save the installation file. Once the installation file has been downloaded to your computer, double-click it. The program will open, and you simply click Accept or Next on the screens that appear. And finally finish. Now, to install RStudio, use the website currently shown on the screen to access the page where you can download the installation file. Once on the page, scroll down to where it says Download RStudio for Windows and save the installation file. For any other operating system, the link appears on the same page a little further down. Once the installation file has been downloaded to your computer, double-click it. The program will open, and you click Next. Then Install. And finally finish. To install RCommander, we first need to open RStudio. In the top left, type or select from the menu Install.Packages. Inside the parentheses type RCMDR, and press Enter. You will see files being downloaded. This may take a while. To run RCommander, type Library, RCMDR. We hope these videos are helpful. See you in the next videos.